What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon and welcome to this new video in which I wanted to quickly quickly but thoroughly cover Injective again and the INJ token because we've been massively bullish, basically ever since obviously the 19th of January, but especially so after the introduction of the big ecosystem fund which they launched back in, I think like 4 days ago, no, even longer, January the 25th, introducing the 150 million Injective ecosystem fund. Amazing, right? So this definitely increases the value of the Injective protocol and everything around it. And I think ever since that, Injective has been doing a very good job at communicating the strength and the value of this on Twitter. So some things that you can see is that right now Injective, first of all, is very trending, and you can also see that in the community right now. But apart from that, what you can also see what they're doing is they're really trying to get across how big the Injective ecosystem is, and thereby how big this ecosystem fund is. And basically, I mean, altogether, the value of Injective just has significantly increased. They have a market cap of 225 million right now, which could even be considered as relatively low if you really look at the long-term potential of the ecosystem with this fund, but also with what they have already been doing. So massively bullish, also in price. It certainly does help that there's quite a lot of bullish momentum in the market now as well. Bitcoin is above 23,000. It's slowly getting up again. So the main thing we're trying to do right now is to break above our main resistance level, which is $3. Big psychological resistance level. But apart from that, if you look historically at $3, it's not even that strong. I thought back in the days we actually found more resistance there, but that's not true. But the beginning of November, when we were fairly bullish as well with Injective, but everything was way more difficult then, we actually got up to $3 as well. But then that was our final resistance after succumbing to the FTX drama. So yeah, very bullish. We're trying to break above $3 right now. And in all honesty, I mean, the main thing we want to do is break above $3, because if we can do that, we'll take a break retest and we'll be on our way towards this price target at around 3.4 and 3.5. Technically between 3.35 and 3.5, to be honest, but yeah, that level. And I actually think at this point of time, it looks like there's a lot of momentum in INJ. Fundamentally, I think we're still undervalued, so I actually think the most likely scenario is that we'll break above $3. Now, completely forgetting about the fundamentals, I would think this is the most likely scenario. Even if we are not able to break above $3 right now, then we'll just drop down to 2.75, consolidate for a little bit, and do it a little bit later, I think, and then get up to 3.35 and 3.5. The problem is, which I'm struggling with a little bit, is that obviously, most of you know that, tomorrow evening we have the interest rate coming from the Federal Reserve's side, which is obviously going to make the market move, and it's going to make the market move a lot. If we have not reached if we have not reached 3.4 and 3.5 ahead of that, or if we have not broken above $3 ahead of that, we're going to be moved by the Federal Reserve primarily. This is more important, or at least more valuable, than whatever is happening with the Injective ecosystem. So keep that in mind, all right? So just I think it's the most likely scenario that we will be able to break above $3, and that when the interest rate decision comes around, we'll be on our way to get up to 3.35 and 3.5. It seems unlikely that we'll be there already, but still. But then the results of that interest rate decision and the press conference after that is going to be the primary mover of Injective. And if you want to know whether we're going up or down after that interest rate decision, check out my video tomorrow, which I will make on what to expect from it and when we will go up with crypto and when we will go down. But it's a little bit too long for this video. So that's my take on Injective for now. I'm still very bullish on it, long term and short term. But yeah, there are some complications. So if you have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.